Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we're gonna talk about how to mount our tomato plants into our hanging system. And as you see, we are starting with the netting system. I'm working the plants through the holes until it's stretched to the full length, then use plastic clips to hold it in place. These plastic clips can be reused, easy and quick to mount. At the time we're doing this, you can prune them if you see any suckers or any things that need to be pruned. But we will talk about pruning the tomato in the next coming video. Now we move to the other style, which is the single line drop from the roof. You just tie it into the bottom of the plants. Don't tie it too much, give it a room to grow through, and then just twist the line around. Work your way to the top of the tree. And as you see, we got all the tomato plants tied up to the lines, ready. And in the next video, we'll show you how to prune them, make sure to get rid of all the suckers and make them grow better. So make sure to subscribe and like our channel to see the video first it comes out. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, you guys take care.